A very good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have seen about antonyms and synonyms. In today's class, we are going to uh, read about certain word meaning which are there in the prose healthy life. So let us look into the meaning of the words one by one. First one, furious. 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 So the word meaning is very angry. The word furious says it's a very angry. 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 Second one is potion. Potion. A liquid with healing or magical or a poisonous properties, or a liquid which is having a content of poisonous thing, we call it as potion. 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 Next is spell. 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 A form of charm or magical effect, a form of words or action used as a charm or magical effect is a meaning of spell. Next is trap. 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 A bad situation from which one cannot escape. They are covered by the bad situation with which they cannot come out of it. Next is swamp. 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 This is an area of soft, wet land. When the area is been considered by a wet land, it is called swamp. Next is virus. 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 They say that a virus is an infective agent which is going to be affects our body. So dear students, till now we saw the word furious, potion, spell, trap, swamp, virus. Once the virus is get into your body, we will have a proper treatment. But in order to avoid those virus at a larger effectiveness, in order to get larger effectiveness to our body, we will have a vaccine. To avoid these virus effective to our body, we will have a vaccine. VACCINE, vaccine. So a treatment which makes body resistant and infection. So in order to fight against the virus, we will have a vaccine. Dear students, the next word is sneeze. SNEEZ. Sneeze. What is the word sneeze? Says to expel air from the mouth and the nose forcibly or involuntarily. You are not intentionally sneezing, but due to when you are not well, due to cold or cough, sometimes you sneeze. Correct? Next word is varieties. 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 It's a quality of being many kinds. It will have a many kinds. Not only one kind of things will not be there. It will be mixed with the many of the things. Next word is leaping. 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 What does the word leaping says? To move with jumps. To move with jumps says the word leaping. Leaping. Dear students, while writing, please listen to the audio, the spellings which I am telling, and the word how do I pronounce it. So while writing, please don't blindly copy it. Check with the audio, then you copy down. Next word, we'll move on to the next word, moods. It's a state of person's feeling or temper. Whether a person may be happy, may be anger, may be sad. See, so it's a mood of the mental status of a person. Mentally, how is going to be reacted to a different situation in a different situations. Next word is witches. WITCHES. What does the word witches says? A woman with a magical power obtained through evil spirits. A woman who is having a magical power to change any of the conditions or the situations is called a witches. Witches is a woman who is having a magical power with her in order to change the situations. And the last word is suggested. SUGGESTED. Suggested means to put forward, to assist, you can say. So these are the words like furious, potion, spell, trap, swamp, virus, vaccine, sneeze, varieties, leaping, moods, witches, suggested. These are the word meanings which you are going to have in your healthy life prose. Okay, these are the words as come in the healthy life prose. Please go through the audio and write it once in your classwork book, English classwork book. Write the heading healthy life prose date and write the heading word meaning and then start with these words. Okay.